Hi, Dex here with a quick look at how to play Enola Gay on the synthesizer. This song is everywhere at the moment. If I turn on a TV channel, I cannot get away from this in an advert or backing somewhere. Classic tune. I've got a backing track to play along with it, which I will make available to you in the track lists for backing tracks, so you can use it as well to practice. There are essentially three parts to it in terms of synthesizer melody, which come in and out throughout the song. But the chords are based around those four chords you can see at the top there: F, D minor, B flat and C, and they just keep going around with variations of the melody underneath. As you can see, there's 1, 2 and 3. Let's just play it through. I'll play the first, second and third part back to back, and then we'll just have a quick look at breaking them down and how to play them. Okay, so that's it. You'll obviously have to arrange this with your band. The first bit, I've literally written down the exact notes that you have to play in order. So it does literally go F, E, F, D, F, E, F, D, F, E, F, D, F, E, G, E. It's only the slight change on that fourth time round. But that is the first melody. If you can learn this in your left hand as well, it's great, because if you've got two keyboards, you can keep that going while doing some of the other parts. Okay, so on to part two. So long as you know your suspended fourth chords, this is going to be super easy. So we start on F suspended fourth, which is, and all you're doing is listen to the tune, but these are the only notes you need to play. So you can put your fingers over these notes and you're in the right place. And generally it goes up and then back down. So that's the F suspended fourth. Then you've got D minor suspended fourth, B minor suspended fourth, sorry, B flat suspended fourth, and then C suspended fourth. That's it. And the third bit, it's based around the F suspended fourth and the D minor. Just remember you are starting on an A, going to a B flat, and that should see you get set to play the rest of the tune. That's it. Practice makes perfect. Have you remembered to subscribe? Thumbs up always appreciated. Another classic tune, and I'll see you next time. Cheers, bye.